Hello everyone, welcome back to Geoinfo Academy. My name is Emila Bimbola and I'll be putting you through to link views in ArcGIS Pro. So what linking views entails is you synchronizing navigation between two maps that are currently open. Map sense, so layouts can be tables, can be charts. And applications of linking views in ArcGIS Pro are first, we have flood risk assessment. When you link a rainfall intensity map with a flood extent map to see how flooded areas correspond as you pan across river basins. And the next we have here is urban growth monitoring, where you want to link a 2025 land use map to a 2015 land use map in order to detect any changes that might have occurred, be it loss of green areas, bare land expansion, infilling, and so on. Then we have environmental impact assessments, when you link industrial locations with vegetation or water body maps to assess proximity and potential impact zones. So in this case, you want to see how or the impact of industrial location on water bodies and vegetation. Then we have infrastructure planning, when you link a road network with population density map to assess accessibility and service coverage. Then lastly, and say a much more relatable one, when you link satellite imagery with classified land use land cover results to verify classification accuracy. So instead of going back and forth between Google Earth and your ArcGIS Pro, you can just easily, insert two different map views and then ensure your land is not covered is on one and the other one has your base map. So by the time you compare, you don't have to go to a Google Earth engine to compare your classification to confirm your classes are well classified. Now let's move on to the practical aspects. So we already have our boundary shape file, which is the hollow polygon with black color. Then we have our DEM. So this is our DEM and this is the boundary. So this is delta states. Okay, now moving on to linking views, which is the topic of the day. Like I said, we need two maps and we currently have a map. So to do that, let's insert a new map. So you go to your insert tab, then you select new map. The next thing you have to do is to undock this map and then just to ensure they are placed side by side. So one other thing we should also know is that you need to be connected to the internet to access your base map. So let's connect to the internet. So while it's connected, we had our base map. So we can use imagery or hybrid imagery. So there we have it. Now that we have two maps, we'll be linking this map to this map. So let's do that. Map 1 to map 3. So go to your view tab, you select link views, then center and scale. So what center and scale does is that it zooms into your current location in map map 1, it zooms map 3 to the current location of map 1, and they assume the same scale. And then by the time you zoom in and zoom out, you can see what's happening. What we have on the left hand side is correlating with what we have on the right hand side. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching.